belly.
Words are weird.
Words are so weird. Okay, one more.
This is the last time.
This is the last time. Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Stephanie.
And today we're going to show you how to put together your indie bench.
We recommend that you use a rubber mallet if you have one. If you don't, you can buy it on our website. And if you don't, that's okay too. We send you a hammer cap that looks like this that you can put on a household hammer, and it will help you put your piece together.
Let's do it. Using your JCB bolts and
For your first step, you're going to attach all 4 feet to the bottom panel using the Allen key and JCB bolts found in your packaging. Once all 4 of your feet are securely attached to the bottom panel, lean it on its side with the back sticker facing down like this and grab your center partition. Oh, Caitlin!
Take your center partition and line up the green connectors with the slots and push down to lock into place. If you need help getting things to line up, just take your mallet or your hammer and hammer cap and tap into place.
Next, you're going to attach your top panel to the center partition using the green connectors, and you want to make sure that these 3 dowels that are green are facing the floor. Line up the green connectors with the slots on the underside of your top panel. If you need a little help getting everything into place, you can use your mallet or hammer with hammer cap to tap on the opposite side of the top panel, like this. Once everything is lined up, you can push down to lock into place and use your mallet if you need help.
Next, take one side panel and lean it against the wall with the slots facing out.
Then attach the back panel to the side with the green connectors facing inward like this. Insert the green connectors like this and push down to lock into place. Next, attach the remaining side using the same steps. Okay, next you're gonna flip your partially assembled case on its back like this, and with a friend, gently lift the parts that you assembled before and insert it like this. The sides are gonna flare out a little bit, which is good. You wanna get the green dowels into the slots and line everything up.
Again, if you need help lining up your connectors, just slightly tap on the outside panels.
Perfect. Once everything is lined up, you can push down both the bottom panel and the top panel until everything is secure. And obviously you can use your hammer if you need help, or your mallet. And that's it. Just flip your bench upright, style, and you're done.